Okay, we are live now. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And today on Spotlight, along with me, I have Rajveer Desai, who is from Sangli. And of course, he's one of those very, very creative children that we came across, during our Sunday Bricks workshops. And of course, with whatever that he's been posting, his creative ideas and his builds on the Young Lego Lovers of India Facebook group. So, before we start with the introduction from Rajveer, I have to say one thing, one quote that I came across. Let me just, kind of say that, everything that you can imagine is real. And that's exactly what we're going to see in today's workshop. I mean, sorry, it's not a workshop. I forgot it's in Spotlight. I've been so used to saying that we are in a workshop. But yes, we are in a live session in Spotlight with Rajveer, and there's something that's really creative that he's done that he's going to demonstrate to all of us. So now I'm not going to speak much, and of course we've got a lot of friends and family members joining in. Now is the time to say a hi to Rajveer, all friends and family members and all
Hi.
followers of Sunday Bricks. If you are joining us here, please send a message for Rajveer, because after this he's going to be speaking a lot and
Hi.
he's not going to be able to speak to you.
Hi.
Yes. Hi, Rajveer. Can you introduce yourself and tell us something about you? Don't talk about the model right now, but tell us something about you.
Okay. I am Rajveer Hardik Desai from second Ruby for, for 7 years for Dhar International School Family.
Wow, very nice. And what is it that you like to do when you're not studying?
Lego.
What do you love to build with Lego?
House, then plane, helicopter, seesaw,
And who helps
fish,
you? Who
crab,
helps you when you build with Lego?
mommy, mom,
Mommy. Oh, so she's a
mom.
Lego expert. So your mama is a Lego expert too.
No, I am.
Oh, you are the expert. Okay. Liar, liar, pants on fire. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, good. So now I think, where are you? Why are you surrounded by trees? I mean, where are you? I mean, I want to know. I mean, are you inside the house? Are you
I
outside the house?
am on farm.
Oh, you are on your farm. You are in your farmhouse.
Yes.
Wow, and what did you build? All of us want to see what you've built.
See,
And what is this?
this is the entrance.
No, but what is this? Can you tell us what have you made on this
Tree
tree?
house. Tree house.
Oh my goodness, you built a tree house. That's amazing. That's amazing. Okay, tell us about this tree house.
See, this is the entrance. This is the door,
Mm-hmm.
window, kitchen. It is here. And this is kitchen. This
Okay,
is and this is slide. This is
okay,
ladder. This is
okay.
bridge. This is swimming pool.
Wow.
Steps to the swimming pool.
Okay.
This is first level. This is
Okay,
second level. And here
Rajveer's
the
mom, I know. Okay, Rajveer, one second. Rajveer's mom, you are helping us with the camera. Thank you very much. Can you just be a bit away so that we can see the entire model carefully? Okay, all of us want to see the model very carefully. Yeah, a bit closer to the model, a bit closer to the model. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, please look at this amazing tree house that he's built. And of course, it's not on a single level. There are two levels here. So of course, he started with the living room. Um, yes, and Rajveer, I saw there was a slide, and I can also see there's a bridge here. Can you please tell us about the bridge and the slide?
this is slide
Okay, and where does the slide take you? Where do you go from when you come down from the slide? Where do you go?
to the park play area
Oh, very nice. And why is this bridge built? Why is this bridge?
because uh, go to transfer second side other side.
Okay, so if you want to go from one house of the tree house to the other house, you're going to use the bridge, right?
Yes.
Did you test the bridge? What's the maximum weight the bridge can hold? Did you try that?
Yes.
Okay, that's very nice. Okay, can you tell me? I think I can see a swimming pool, right? Is there a swimming pool here?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me something about the swimming pool,
Yeah.
please?
Yeah. Yes. This is a step. This is first level. This is second level. And this is swimming pool.
Wow,
And this
superb.
is seesaw. This is merry-go-round. And this
Okay,
is tree. And this is trees.
nice. Okay, I have a very, very important question for you. Why is this tree house not falling? What have you done to the tree house that it's not falling off the tree?
Because I I fixed it
How did you fix it?
with the rope.
Oh, with the rope. That's amazing. And what happens? I mean, what happens? I mean, are you going to keep the tree house there, or it's going to you're going to take it away?
No, I will stay in
Keep it
the
here.
tree house.
I'll keep it here for my
I
friends.
will
Okay.
keep it here
For my friends to
for
come.
my
And
friends to come
wow, but
after
that's
Corona.
after coronavirus. Very nice. Okay, what else have you built along with this? How can you come to the tree house? Is there a car? Is there an aeroplane? Is there something by which you can come to this tree house?
This aeroplane and tractor.
Oh my goodness, you have an aeroplane as well ready. Wow, can we see that? Okay,
Yes.
can we first see the aeroplane? Can you explain us the aeroplane that you've built?
This is
The way.
the wing. This
Mm-hmm.
is um
Push it.
motor.
You
This
mean the
is
engine of the aeroplane? Is
wheel.
that the engine of? Okay.
This emergency door.
Wow, that's very nice. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to give you a nice suggestion. Would you want to hang this somewhere on the tree? Would you want to hang the aeroplane somewhere on the tree?
Yes, this that.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, did you finish the tree house? Did you finish explaining your tree house, or there's something more you want to show us?
No, this
Okay,
tractor.
okay. What's that? What have you built
And
here?
one more thing. And one more thing. 1 minute.
O-
And so good.
Okay,
Sure, sure.
See,
okay. Till then, you can show us what you have here.
I have
What is this? Can you
tractor,
show? Can you tell us what is this?
JCB के.
JCB.
Okay, so you mean that that's something that's going to help you dig the mud and kind of take things from one place to another place?
Yes,
Okay, that's okay if it broke, Rajveer,
हाँ.
that's fine. Don't worry about it. You can just talk to me now. That's absolutely
हाँ, yeah,
fine. No
JCB.
problem at all. No
and
problem at
one
all.
more thing.
Mm.
This is
Oh,
a
so
crane.
are you going to fix this crane on your
See,
tree house as well? Are you going to fix the crane on your tree
yes,
house as well? Why do you need a
yes,
crane for your tree house? Why do you need a crane for your tree house?
because the brakes
To place bricks, okay? To
to
construct.
break the bricks.
For the
Okay, so you mean
construction, it helps for the construction, okay?
okay, so basically whatever you build for
See,
your tree house, your crane is going to pick up bricks for you, right?
yes,
Okay, okay. Can we again go back on the tree house? Can we again go back on the tree house?
yes,
Okay, be careful.
The
Okay, I
screen
think you're
helps.
climbing on a chair. Be very, very careful. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, for those who've just joined us, let me tell you that Rajveer has built a tree house, and absolutely right. I mean, the tree house is on a real tree, and as he explained it to us, that he has tied up the entire model, and there's so much amazing. I mean, there's so many amazing things for children to learn here. I mean, in terms of the concept of stability, the concept of how you're going to fix a model at a place, the balancing aspect of it. There's so much that these children are learning just by doing these small little builds, and that reminds me
See,
about another quote that I read. Rajveer, 1 second, okay? That reminds me about something that I read some time back, that you can't use up your creativity. The more you use, the more you're going to have. So I mean, please encourage your children to build with bricks and blocks, because this is the only tool by which they can build anything that is short, long, tall, or wide, whatever. I mean, bricks are the most innovative tools that have been built, and I mean, children really really love this. So coming back to what Rajveer has built. Rajveer, yes. uh, how is the security of this farmhouse? What have you done for the security of the farmhouse?
Yeah, there's a
this.
watchman.
Okay, is
There is a
Rajveer there?
watchman.
Yeah, he's here. Hello, can you hear me? Hello,
Yeah, we can hear you, we can hear
hello.
you very well.
Yeah, okay.
We can hear you very well.
Yeah, Joe.
Okay,
Yeah.
Rajveer, let's
See,
let's just go back to your farm. Let's just go back to your, yes. What is this? Can you tell us?
To
this
go up.
is to go up the. It is lift. It is lift.
Oh, amazing. So you've built a lift that is
Go.
going to take people up the tree house, right?
Yes.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So I wanted to know that how do we make sure that your brick, your tree house is safe? Do you have some security there?
Yes. This.
Can you show me that? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, while he's answering that, if you have any questions for Rajveer, please write it in
See.
form of a
This.
comment, and we're going to ask Rajveer. Oh, who's this person?
Security guard.
This is security guard.
Okay, that's very nice. And how do you generate electricity on this tree house? Where does the electricity come from?
Solar. Solar panel.
My goodness, you've got solar panels as well. Superb. That's so innovative. That's so creative. Okay, Rajveer, we've got a question from somebody. Okay, somebody is asking us that did you take help of your parents, or you built all of this alone?
Alone.
Oh, so I think so. Where did your mama or daddy help you?
No.
Did they help
On
you to
the
fix it on?
house.
Tree
Fix.
fix.
Tree fixing.
Oh, so they helped you fix your tree house on the tree, right?
Yes.
That's very nice. That's very nice. So, Minakshi, Gautam, I hope you got a reply. Of course, others, if you all have any questions for Rajveer, he's going to be very, very happy to answer this. Okay, Rajveer, tell me that do you always build alone, or do you build with your cousins? Do you build with your friends? How do you do? How do you build?
Brother. Brother.
Okay.
With my brother.
Is he your younger brother or your elder brother?
Elder.
Knee.
Okay.
Neve.
Oh,
Cousin
that's
brother.
very nice. So you build along with him, right?
Yes.
Do you share your responsibility? Do you decide that okay, Neve is going to build, say, building, and Rajveer is going to build a swimming pool? Do you distribute your responsibility?
Yes.
How do you decide who's going to build what?
This
Discuss.
Oh, you all discuss. That's very, very nice. Okay, that's good. Okay, there's somebody who's asking Rajveer, how much time did you take to build this?
2D.
2 days.
2 days. Okay, that's very, very nice. Superb. Okay, tell me what is the biggest model that you've ever built with Lego? What's the biggest model that you've ever built?
What have you
Can you
built?
think?
This house only.
Oh, this
This
is the
house
biggest
and
thing.
swimming pool only. This
Wow,
only.
very, very nice. Superb, superb, amazing. Okay, so after we finish the Facebook Live, what are you going to do with this model? I mean, are you going to add more things onto this?
No.
No? Okay, you think this is the end
No.
of the model?
Yes, I will think.
Okay, you're going to think about it. Okay, that's very, very nice. Okay. And what do you love the most? I mean, do you love Lego City? Do you love Lego Harry Potter? What else? What do you like about uh what else do you like in Lego
Lego
models?
Harry Potter.
Oh
Lego
my God.
Harry Potter.
Have you seen the Harry Potter movie?
Yes.
Okay. So, do you ever want to build the Hogwarts school? Remember, Harry Potter went to Hogwarts school. Do you want to ever build that?
Yes.
Okay, so I think next your project should be that you build a school for Harry Potter, right? And his friends.
Yes.
Okay,
This
there's
is
a
cool.
question from, sorry, what did you say?
No.
Okay. There's somebody who's asking a question to you, Rajveer. When you build it with your cousin Neve, do you fight over, do you fight who's going to take which bricks? Do you fight over bricks and
1 minute.
ideas?
Yes. Yes.
Do you all fight?
Wait. Fighting.
I didn't understand. Can
बहुत
you
Hindi
repeat?
we fight a lot. Yeah?
We fighting old.
Okay, you fight a lot, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to have the next question that's coming from somebody. Rajveer, there's somebody called Sonal, and she wants to know that did you test your bridge? Do you know how much weight your bridge can hold?
Yes.
There's
Two
a bridge
people.
on the two people.
Two
No.
Lego models.
Can it
Two
hold
Lego
1
mall.
kg? No, can it hold 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg? Did you try that?
No.
Okay, so that's going to be the experiment for you after the session, okay? You're going to test that how
Yes.
much weight can your
Okay.
bridge hold. Can it hold 1 kg, 2 kg, and you're going to let us know about it, okay?
Yes.
Okay, that's very
Okay.
nice. Is your lift ready? Did you is your lift ready with the thread and all of that? We can just see, all of us can see that as a last thing.
No.
It's breaking.
No. It is
Oh,
breaking.
okay, so let's take a last quick view of the tree house. And Rajveer, we are going to end this session. Can we quickly look at the tree house once again? Ladies and gentlemen, this is an amazing build. It's so creative. I mean, of course, if he was like 9 or if he was 10-year-old, he would have definitely added amazing ideas to this. But just
1 minute.
imagine at such an age, if he can build such wonderful things, what is he going to be capable of building once he's 9 or 10? Wonderful job, Rajveer. It's really amazing and it's really commendable. And of course, special thanks to parents for allowing children, or allowing Rajveer here in this case, to kind of take this up as a hobby and continue building. And I know that Rajveer's mom keeps telling us that he's building every day. He's crazy. Um, he's crazy when it comes to bricks and blocks. I mean, absolutely, you've got a great architect, or you've got a great engineer in making. So that's going to be my last message. Rajveer, do you have something to tell your grandparents? Do you have a message
Yeah.
for your
Yes.
grandparents?
Yeah.
Oh,
Happy.
Yes.
हाँ बोल बता रही पहला बता show that.
See. This is a locker. See. It
okay.
is
What is
not
that?
opening.
Okay.
It is a locker. It is not opening. See.
Okay. So how can we open this?
See. With this key.
Oh, so you've added a key, and that's how your locker opens up.
Yes.
Wow, wow. So you can hide a lot of things in this locker and keep it in your tree house, right?
Yes.
So tree house can be your hiding place.
Yes.
Okay, that's very nice. Okay. Great. That was very nice. Very nice.
See.
Thank. Yes. Okay, that's an India flag as well. So, what's tomorrow? What's 15th
Happy
August? It's tomorrow.
Day. Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day to everybody from Rajveer and of course from Sunday Breaks. Enjoy your Saturday. Enjoy uh, your holiday tomorrow, and of course, let's remember India. Great, very nice. So thank you very much, Rajveer. And as I was asking you, last thing, do you have a message for your grandparents? Do you have a message for your
Yes,
grandparents? They're looking at this video. What do you want to tell them? You can give us the message in Gujarati as well.
yes.
બોલ. સાંજે આવો.
सांगली આવો મારા ટ્રી હાઉસમાં આપણે બેસીએ ચા પીવા.
Oh. Very nice, very nice. Good job. Your grandparents are going to be very, very happy and they're going to be very, very proud of you. Okay. You built an amazing model today. Thank you very much, Rajveer, for your
Thank
time. And thank you very much, parents of Rajveer, for allowing him to do this and for allowing him to come under the spotlight with Sunday Breaks. So next Friday, we're going to be back here on Spotlight with yet another creative child, and let's see what the child has to show us. This is amazing, Rajveer, and all the best, and God bless you. And we hope that you keep building amazing things in the coming years. Okay? Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye
See you
bye.
soon. See you soon.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye. I'm going to end this. I'm going to end this.